Models, the ultimate hobby. This is the building of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to create a beautiful centerpiece, to seek out new builders and young model makers, to boldly go where no model has gone before.
Welcome back, everyone, to the Model Frontier. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss a second of my great content. Last time we did some more work on the neck and the frame of the ship, and today we're actually going to finish both of those off. But before we make it so, we got another free gift to show off. That's right, in this shipment you should have gotten this t-shirt. There's not really that much to say about it. It's got a couple pictures of the Enterprise D, both from above and profile view, along with its construction logo, basically like the blueprints for it. You may have already seen this on one of the pins you got with your first shipment, which I am going to show in more detail next video. It's nothing overly huge, but it is a nice little gift, so thank you very much, Eagle Moss. With that out of the way, let's get back to the model. Engage. So even though stage 15 is more framework, I did want to show you a piece that comes with it. So this piece comes with it. It does not get used, but I'm fairly sure that it's basically going to be the support for this and another part of the bridge, because you can see it matches, so you can see like it's gonna go there, and this is gonna sit on top and get screwed in. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. I thought that was pretty cool. But now let's get to what actually needs to be done on stage 15. So now, as you can see, this is just more framework. We're adding some more supports to start expanding it and getting ready to close it up. So same as always, 4 pieces, 4 BM screws per piece. Should be simple, should be second nature to you by now. There you go. That is it for stage 15. We're starting to see the saucer coming together, and that's about it. So let's get on to the next stage. Okay, so stage 16 is going to open with some more framework. I'm not going to repeat it. We all know what to do. Let's just get to it. Okay, so that's it for this part, stage 16 of stage 16. One thing I've been doing that's been helping me out with putting these on is when you're putting on a piece of the frame to the supports, I've been screwing in the opposite corners each way. So I'll start at one corner and then screw in the other one. It just has been helpful because it's been able to make it so that these stay in tighter while you're screwing the other two. So do it your way. do what you want to do. It's your model. Do what works best for you, but I'm just giving you some hints as to what's working best for me. But now let's get to the next part of stage 16. Okay, so this next stage takes us back to the neck. We're going to actually add the Shuttlebay doors, it looks like. They're two different sizes, something I never even noticed, but I guess they are two different sizes on the show. So, very simple. Each side needs one CP screw. It's not going to be as simple as it looks because you got to mess with all these lightings, so just kind of wiggle stuff around till you can get it in there. You'll feel it plop into place. You might want to just get both sides in and then screw them in. And with that, I'm pretty sure that we are now done with this neck of the ship. I don't see anything else that's going to be possible to put on this, so no more holes showing, nothing. Yeah, so I think we're done with that section now. So let's continue on with stage 17. Okay, so the first step of stage 17 is very simple. We got these two pieces here. This has magnets on them, so make sure you don't do anything with it. This one's simple though. We're just going to snap these two pieces right into place here. There we go. That sits flush like that. Nothing gets screwed in or glued in, so they just want us to set that aside for later. So I'm just going to set it down in my kit here. And now let's do the rest of stage 17. Okay, so obviously the rest of this stage we're going to see the finishing of the saucer section top support. So as always, same stuff. The right way. BM screws, 4 of them. Screw it in place. Alright, now that that's done, we're just going to add a couple of support pieces so that these these are where they need to be. First one's another one of these. It's just going to slot in the middle here. And now you think that you would just use another one of these supports for this, but nope. They give you a different one to use. But it's the same, it goes in the same area, and again it's held together by the same screws, so get that in. Okay, and that is it on that. So there's the whole saucer section put together, the skeletal support. So now we can start making some educated guesses on this. So one of the first guesses I'm going to make is this piece is just going to kind of fit in here. Like that. And then we have some of these deck plates that, if you remember, we already did. And if you go to your magazine, it looks like it shows you where these deck plates actually go on a map of the Enterprise. So we can try and see if we can put some of these pieces in just to see what they look like. Now, it's looking like this piece is going to go in probably here. maybe, or maybe to this point. Again, we're just making some assumptions here, but we could be dead wrong. Yeah, I'm still not sure where that piece is gonna go. Oh, wait, no, I'm putting it on the wrong side here. Actually, looks like it's gonna go here somehow, or maybe on this one. Maybe there'll be some overhang. I'm probably not doing this right because I don't have the wires going through where they gotta go. It's probably going to hang off like that, and then this piece is going to connect up here somehow. So, something like that maybe? Who knows? I'm fairly sure though this piece is where it's going to go, and the neck is going to come, nope. It's not going to come off there, so there must be another piece that goes here. Looks pretty cool. So, with that out of the way, let's go on to stage 18. Okay, so here we are with stage 18, and yes, you can see more windows are coming, but I wanted to show you something else. Even though it's not being used, we get this nice metal piece here, and it gives us a chance to see where this is going to go. So you can see that kind of magnetizes right in there. So you want to hold on to this, it just snaps right into place there and magnetizes in. That is actually the battle bridge of the Enterprise D. So I'm thinking, and I'm pretty sure on this one I'm going to be right, that somehow these are going to connect. These are somehow going to connect here. I would say they would connect, you know, like somewhere in here, but it doesn't. But you can see it's damn close. It lines up. So somehow these two are going to connect and become the neck. But now that we got this, we're not using this in this step, so let's put it to the side and do the big work. So we've got more lights, 2 more strings. As always, when you get new lights, test them. So let's grab our board, make sure all the lights work. Those 2 work. And those 2 work. We're going to put that aside. Now we got windows to put on. They want 10 and 10. That's what I think comes on these. Yeah, each of these comes with 10, so they want you to put all these in this nice metal section here, which I probably should be putting on a cloth since this stuff will scratch, but I'm not doing that. To get these off, I haven't been able to show you, but I find it's just easiest to twist them a little, one at a time, and make sure you put them down. Again, I'm not going to sit you through and make you watch all this. I'm just going to do it, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now we got those on. They want us to put, once they actually want us to put the reflector pieces on before we put the bulbs in. So that's what we're going to do. There's only one way they're going to go in, and they're just going to drop right on in there. They only want us to put the screws on the inside, and so let's do it. Alright, so now they just want us to put the lighting in. They don't give you specifically exactly which ways to go, but they show that the green bulbs go on top. And we're just going to slot them in. Same thing on the other side. And now we're going to screw these down. once you got those in, give those a nice little tug. Make sure they're not coming out. There go the windows. Let's light it up. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but I like to at the end of everything just to make sure, just see how it's all going to look. So there we go. Another deck plate done. And another set of kits assembled. So that's it for this one. So that's it for this shipment. Tune in next time. We're going to put together stages 19 through 22, which I'm not going to lie, I'm actually kind of both excited for and also dreading. But we'll get into that next time. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and check out my great content, and I'll catch you next time on the Model Frontier.